We are not doing this today. Hello everybody, welcome back to Shave Up Professor here. It has been too long, even though I do have things I could make videos about. I just haven't. It is January 2nd, January 3rd of 2022. I don't think I actually made a Shave Up video in all of 2021, but that's okay. A lot of the YouTube shavers I've seen haven't been posting a lot, or that I subscribe to really haven't been posting, so oh well. But I got something for Christmas, and I thought this would be a fun video. If the intro didn't already say I was going to be having fun, I don't know what will. But I got this for Christmas. It is the Beard Buddy. I don't usually get rid of this with trimmers or clippers or anything. I usually just go with shaving cream and a shave ad or straight razor, as you've seen many times. Oh, a couple times. I just opened this just to make sure I could get it open. I haven't looked at it really, so let's pull it open and see. By the picture, you can see that the Beard Buddy is a cape that attaches to your mirror, so you don't get a sink full of beard trimmings. And when I do it with shaving cream and a shave ad or straight razor, whatever, I have a paper towel that I wipe that on because I don't want those clumps clogging my sink. And it's just a nice little drawstring bag, little spring powered stopper, I don't know what. And let's pull it out. Okay, so it looks like the suction cups are not detached. I thought they would be already attached through the grommets. Grommets, I know what they're called. Oh, it's got Velcro. I don't know what I was expecting, but we have Velcro. After I get this all set up, I'm going to go ahead and take a picture from my point of view so you can see what it looks like, but it'll look a lot like that drawing. I was expecting black, but white's good too. Okay, let's see here. So, I thought it was just, the traditional suction cups, but it's got the clamp style suction cups, so you'll open it up, stick it on the surface, and clamp it down. And so I guess you hook the grommets onto the hooks. So I'm going to take a moment here to get this all done. How far apart are, okay, so I could go the whole mirror if I wanted to. Alright. When I was just showing you guys, I thought it would be a kind of weak suction. It feels kind of flimsy and stuff, but it's got good enough suction to hold a cape. Okay. And I guess another way to do it is attach the cape and then suction it. So let's go ahead and redo this. Bring this down just a hair. It is a little bit shorter than I was expecting, but there you go. And I did drop my clippers. It's not focusing on it, but you can tell it is broken there. My trimmers did fall out of their case or drop or something, and so that chipped off, but it's only like 2-3 teeth at most. And I haven't been working in a shop at all, and I have barely been using my trimmers, so it's not the biggest worry for me. I must have tugged something because it looked, no, it's still, okay. So they can have a little bit of less. It'd be cool if a tiny bit more suction, but also not the biggest deal because you're not really going to need it for too long, and you shouldn't have to be bumping things too often. Let's try the good old lick and stick. That didn't work. Okay, that's better. Oh, sorry. There they are. Don't you hate it when you get your beard in your eye? So some clippings look like they are flying out of the borders of the, or beyond, not out of, because they're just flying and missing the cape entirely, but just trying not to breathe in any trimmings there. Oh man. Huh. I don't know what that is. I can't see, I don't have my glasses on. My glasses are underneath the things, so I can't see to grab them. Alright. Can't see it. Cool. I'm going to go ahead and empty this real quick into my garbage can and get back to it. Let's see if you can get a little bit of a view of it. A little bit. I'm looking for the suction cup and it's still on the mirror. Okay, let's try this again. I thought it came off. I guess I just bumped my cape and the grommet came. Pulled a little bit and the grommet slid off the hook. But that doesn't mean it's off the hook, being the treble hook. Okay, let's see here. Gave an accidental tug on the cape and it held up just fine, that suction cup this time. I'm feeling that broken tooth a lot more than I was expecting, but that's why you don't cut clients' hair with broken tools. But my hair, I'm okay with it. Well, there we go. See if we can get a little bit closer here. Oof, 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 oof. Slipped off the hook. Suction cup still there. Stay, stay, stay. Okay, I'm gonna take a second and nub it. All right. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick with that, because that's about as close as the trimmers will get. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a review as well as just a first impressions. I don't usually do that. I usually like to have a little bit more experience with the product, but it's okay. It's pretty cool. It does help keep hair out of the sink. I did get some in there when it got knocked off. I would say like slightly longer. Yeah, suction cup's actually pretty good. I guess I just kind of got a couple weak suctions, but the last one I made sure that it was like I pushed the hook. Let me just pull it off and show you. Okay, so I think the first couple times I didn't let it get onto the glass very well to get suction. And so the last time I really pushed it on and then activated it, and that really seemed to help. Really get it flattened a little bit better. Yeah. The width is pretty good because it holds this. I'd say 2.5 feet or so wide. I would like another 6 inches to a foot in length away from the mirror, and create a little bit more of a dip this way, because you can control the dip horizontally pretty easily, but just forward and back it's pretty flat. And yeah, the Velcro's nice because it is infinitely adjustable, but as you can see with it kind of bunching here, I think that's just because I'm trying to be too far away. So it does feel really short this way. It's pretty standard cape. It holds well. I did have to brush it off of the cape into the garbage. I was hoping for a little bit more of a sliding action, but that didn't happen. So I don't think I'm gonna go ahead and give like a number rating out of 10 or anything. If you like it and it works for you, it'll work. I think I still prefer just using what I usually do with a shave head or a straight razor and the paper towel. But if you like trimmers for detailing goatees or anything, this could be for you. But it does what it is. Like, I was expecting like suction cups that are attached, like to or through the cape, but the grommet idea, could say makes a little bit more sense, but a little bit better connection. Again, just this length is a little bit shorter than I would like because I'm pretty pressed up against my countertop, and yeah, but it does okay. It does okay to pretty good with what it's supposed to do. But I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, and there goes the suction cup. But that is Professor's review here on Shave Up. If you have not checked out my other channel, Professor's Garage, please go check it out. That's what I've been working on mostly this year, is trying to make videos and build up that library and that channel a bit. I'll leave a link in the description, or maybe a bubble here on the end. But go check it out. Do what works for you, whether it be use one of these or another method. And have a great day and shave up.